Hi students, today again introduction to machine learning. Today is the week number 5. So in the week number 5, at first we will discuss about the non-granted. So in the non-granted, if you will come, the first question is given n samples drawn independently, Gaussian distributions with variations. Okay, find the MLE. If you have done the Gaussian distribution lectures, Gaussian distribution means normal distribution. It is also known as the Gaussian distribution. Is a probability distribution that is symmetric about the mean. Very simple. So in the first question, if we'll check, then you will get the third question is correct. Okay. Now question number 2. Uh, Consisting while the above question assume that the period distribution of the mean also Gaussian distribution but the parametric mean and the variance find MAP estimate of the mean. Okay, if you have done our lectures in the class, we explain something. Here answer will be also third. Okay, this is the correct answer. You should also note the normal distribution are symmetric, but not all normal distributions are normal. This is very important for the main NPTEL exam. Now, which of the among following statement is true? He is asking about the MAP something. Okay, so at first let us we should understand one concept, that is the meaning of maximum likelihood estimate, means MLE. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Is a method that determines the value for the parameters of the model. So okay, in the class today we were explaining something. Okay, and also what is MLE? MLE is a method of estimating the parameters of an assumed probability distribution. And here we are talking about MAP. Okay, something MLE and something MAP. So MAP also maximum a posteriori estimates. Okay, the its meaning contains all knowledge about the unknown quantity x. So how to find the unknown quantity x? So we use it. So the third answer, if we'll check the video, he explained the three answer. Okay. In the fourth answer, he is asking about the neural network. So if you will again go to the lecture, in the lectures he have explained the neural network is a method in the artificial intelligence that teaches computers to process data in a way that is actually inspired by human brain. And also he explained a the neural network is a series of algorithms that seek to identify relationship in the data sets by process that mimics how the human brain works. Okay, so according to the lectures, if we'll go, then the first, second, third answer will be correct. Now the last one, which of the following about the perception? Okay, perceptron. Okay, what is the meaning of perceptron? Perceptron is an algorithm for the supervised learning of binary classifiers. And also you can say perception can also learn only the linear function. Okay, perceptron can only be used to classify linear separable sets in input vectors, so it is used to binary classifications. Okay, so according to the lectures the answer will be first, second and third, and I will submit. Okay, I submitted, so I my all the answers are correct, I pass. Okay, now I will go in this lecture. Okay, assignment number 5. So in the assignment number 5 I will not waste your time. Okay, so already in the assignment number 5, if I will go, so he is talking about, again already we discussed about the perceptron learning algorithm. So what he was talking, this is linear separable classification task. And the second one, the last layer of ANN, already we discussed about the this neural network is a linear for regression and the softmax for the classification. Okay, so the softmax for the classification. Okay, turning. Now, question number 3. In the question number 3, consider the following statement of answer true and false. Okay, so about again he is talking about A and N. Okay, so there are some problems. He is asking about softmax and cross entropy loss function. Last lecture we explained the loss function. Okay, regression, softmax, everything we explained. So according to this lecture number 2, the answer will be this. Now the question number this. I will so here we solve this problem. Okay. If you will see clearly, so the answer will be NAND. You can see here. Okay. Answer will be NAND. Okay. According to this, the answer will be AND. Okay. And we have submitted the AND answer. Okay. Now question number 5. The question number 5, he has given me one function alpha is equal to this and beta is equal to this. Okay. Now he is asking about the find the activation function of the both layers. Already we discussed about the this function in the class. Again I will solve. So if you will come here, already we discussed about the sigmoid function in the class. You can see that the answer is 0.8414. Okay, so the answer will be 0.8414. Okay, now if the size step size of gradient descendant is too large, what can happen? Okay, today we discuss about the overlifting and something in the class. So the model will not be converge in this condition. Now and also if we'll go, okay, now and on the different initialization of your neural network, the all the questions are same. Okay, what could you should study the neural network. Okay, so he's asking what will be the correct answer. So here the correct answer will be multiple of local minima. The likelihood already we discussed in the last lecture also, the maximum likelihood. So the answer will be this one. Okay, the answer will be
time हो
this
गया
one. Now what is the proper initialization of neural network weight important? This is also very important. Already we discussed to ensure faster converging during training. Which of these are limitations of back propagation algorithm? If you go and everything he has written, it requires error functions to the differentiable, it requires activation function in the differentiable, the ith layer cannot be updated before the upper layer of I plus 1 to complete. So everything he has written, the answer will be this and I will submit. Okay, done. Now we will come to the week number 6. In the week number 6 he is talking about the regression tree and decision tree. So at first I will come to the non granted. So in the non granted, if I am coming to the non granted, so he is asking the first question. The first question, I will not waste your time. Okay, given that we can select the same features of multiple recursive arrays, always was a 100% accuracy of training data. Okay, today we were talking about the how to split the data by the help of this split function. We are for the training and testing purpose. Okay, so if we'll study clearly for the decision tree, that will be wrong. Okay, so which of the following statement are true with respect to the application of cost complexity pruning and reduced error pruning with cross validation? Okay, so pruning is a data compression techniques, means compression techniques in machine learning and search algorithm that reduce the size of decision tree by removing sections of the tree and non-critical and redundant to classify instances. Okay, and also this pruning, it's reduce the complexity of find classifier and hence improves the predictive accuracy by the reduction of overfitting. Okay, so according to this overall theory, if we'll go to the lecture, the first answer, according to our assumption, the answer will be this. Okay, okay, we have done a lot of experiment. We study also the lectures. The third question, suppose that the performing or reduced error pruning, same questions. If we'll check, the answer will be, all the answers are correct here. If you'll check, all the answers are correct. He has given us one data set. Okay, today we were also talking about this data, and he's asking something on the basis of this concept profitable of the binary and attributes we can trying to predict. Okay, so this is a predictive analytics. Which will attributes would you select as the root of the decision tree with multi-way split using the information gain measures. So if you'll check, so that will be capacity. Okay, here you can see. Okay, now for the last one, he's asking for the same data set. Okay, now he's using the decision tree, and he's splitting the data. Okay, and he's asking that the data will be unordered. Okay, so the question will be answered with this and submit. So now you can see our all the answers are correct. I passed. Okay, if you are interested, then I will come to the lecture number 6. We will solve tomorrow. Okay, our request to all of the students, please share. Thank you so much.